Hello kids! Today we will draw a cute zebra. First draw a big oval shape. Just follow me and it will look very beautiful. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. Now draw its ear. Make two bumpy shape like this. Well done, now draw the eyes. First draw a circle, like this. Then draw a black dot. Also draw another eye. Do the same thing, and it's done. Now draw a big happy smile. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Now let's draw the body. Draw two curved lines on both sides. Draw the other line also. Now connect both lines with a straight line. Well done, now let's draw its leg. Draw a thick line, then draw the shoes. Well done, now draw the other leg also. Draw a thick line, and draw the shoes. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my kid cartoon channel. It's looking very beautiful. Now draw the hands. Draw a line like this. Then draw the fingers. Good job. Now draw the other hand also. Lastly, draw a cute tail. Draw a curved shape and draw some lines. To make it more cute, draw a big heart shape. I'm making heart-shaped balloons. Well done, now draw another heart shape. Make the heart small, then the other heart. Lastly, draw a line and connect with hand. Well done, we complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use gray color on its face. Now draw a line like this. And color only the small part. Color carefully and don't color outside the line. Good job, it's looking very beautiful. Also color the ear. But color only one ear. Now draw another line like this. Draw another line and make a small area. between the line. Make a gray color strip. Color very slowly, and don't color on the eye. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now use pink color and make a circle on the face. Color it and it will look very cute. Now use purple color and make 2 dots. Look, we draw a cute nose. Look how cute it's looking. Now use dark purple color on cloth. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. You can also use different colors you like. Color carefully and don't make any mistake. Well done, it's looking very great. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Now use red color on heart shape. Color outside of heart and slowly fill the color. Just follow me and it will look very beautiful. Now color the small heart. Do the same thing. First color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Good job, we complete the drawing. You know what? She is Peppa Pig friend. And her name is Zoe the zebra. To learn drawing, click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.